Now you're going to meet Matthew. I wanted, it's really hard to describe him. He is from LA, but I like him anyway. He's brilliant. He's
That's
Is that fair?
That's fair.
And he's a talk show host in LA. He knows every Hollywood star. I asked him about everyone. He's so nice, he didn't give me any dirt, not any. And he works and he does the most amazing thing for seniors. And I wanted you to introduce yourself and tell them about who you are. He's got a great video for you. And it's been just an absolute, utter pleasure to meet him. So please give a fine welcome.
Hello, Portland! I always wanted to do that. Hello, Portland! First of all, how good is Wendy? Give it up for Wendy. She is amazing. I met her today backstage. I walked in and I was like, you're my new soulmate. We'll be friends, it's fine. Hi guys, my name is Matthew Hoffman. I am a television host, personality, game show host, and celebrity interviewer. I flew in today, like Wendy said, from a foreign country called Los Angeles. I love Portland so much, and I love what I do so much, and I'm so lucky to do it. But what I'm most proud about what I do is I am the founder of a volunteer program for senior citizens. Thank you, yeah. It is called Tuesdays with Matthew. I'm Matthew, all right. What Tuesdays with Matthew is basically I volunteer in senior centers and I recreate famous scenes from famous movies with the seniors starring as the leads. It's pretty special. I make all of the costumes, the props, the wigs. I don't know why I'm single, but it's fine. Fine. You should see my apartment when it's like movie week and I'm actually making a movie. It looks like it's not okay. So I've been doing it for over 10 years. And I go into senior centers, assisted living facilities, senior homes, and I basically transport the seniors from where they are to places they never even thought were possible with the help of a green screen. I can literally, in editing, transport a senior from their home to the top of the Grand Canyon for Thelma and Louise, or in the ocean for Titanic, and it's truly magical. And what I'm most proud about is that all the money from our videos goes back to Meals on Wheels. Yeah, thank you. So the reason why I'm here tonight is because the VitaLife Foundation had invited me to come, put together a little Valentine's Day video. And I have to tell you guys that the VitaLife Foundation is really, really, really important to me because they were the first organization who had seen my movies, online or in different articles, and they called me up and they said, we'd love for you to do one in Portland. And I said, okay, all right. And I was so nervous, you guys. I was so nervous because I have been volunteering for over 10 years. I know my seniors, I know their wives, I know their kids, I know, it's the same group every single week, and I'm so blessed. And when I got this call, I was like, what if nobody wants to make a movie with me? I was so nervous. And I came to Portland, and this foundation welcomed me with open arms. You have no idea. You'll see the movies in a bit, and just to let you know, they are not easy to make at all. And this foundation got behind me. They championed me. They helped me with every last detail. And literally, I have to thank them because they put me on my path. It was a couple months ago that I had come out. We had done 3 movies with their seniors, who I believe are in the audience today. Some of my stars. Yes, hi guys. Okay, we will, I'm gonna make an announcement after the house lights are up. Where are my seniors? Yes, hi. Those are my Tuesdays with Matthew seniors. You guys will see them in a little bit. I love you guys, hi. So I make the movies with them, and we did 3 movies that were shot exclusively in Portland. So we recreated The Shining, Free Willy, and Portland knows how to party because we did Animal House, and it was a really good time. And when I do the workshops, we make the movies, but the seniors kind of don't really know what the background's going to be. They kind of just trust me, and we do this DIY movie magic. And then I edit the films for about 13 hours, and I come back, and I play it for them, and I host a movie night. And I have a red carpet, we have cake, we have popcorn, and we have champagne glasses filled with Ensure. And yeah, it was a nice touch. I'm very proud of that. And we toast to them, and the whole point is to make the seniors feel like movie stars. That's it. And this foundation, getting behind me, gave me the strength and the vision to realize that the program that I do locally every single week has legs and can affect so many other seniors that I didn't even think were possible. So please give them a round of applause. They are amazing. They're incredible, and honestly, I mean it with every fiber of my being. It takes a lot to put them together, and the fact that they, literally called me up out of the blue, not collect, I'll have you know, and offered to help and to do this was great. So I am here tonight to play some of the videos that demonstrate our love for seniors, but to also celebrate Valentine's Day. So please enjoy Tuesdays with Matthew.
He goes into senior homes and recreates scenes from movies with them and has them act out all.
I'm Matthew Hoffman, and I'm a television host and volunteer. Over 10 years ago, I founded the group Tuesdays with Matthew, which is a volunteer program for senior citizens where we recreate famous scenes from famous movies with the seniors starring as the leads. My mission is to make the seniors feel like movie stars. Over the years, some of the movies we've recreated are The Wizard of Oz.
I have the feeling we're not in Kansas anymore. There's no place like home.
Shining.
Come and play with us then.
Here's Johnny.
And Braveheart.
But they will never take our freedom.
It was fantastic.
I forgot all my pain. That's what happens when you get involved.
After we make our movies, I throw the seniors a movie night.
All right, everybody. Come on in.
I'm wearing Versace.
Complete with popcorn, cake, and champagne glasses filled with Ensure. There is no greater feeling than seeing the seniors see themselves and their friends on the big screen for the very first time.
I can see myself. I can't believe it.
Couldn't say enough good things about it.
Some amazing friends with some incredible platforms have been kind enough to spread the Tuesdays with Matthew message, which is great because what I'm most proud about is that 100% of the proceeds from our video views go to Meals on Wheels. And to celebrate Valentine's Day, I am taking a senior road trip to Portland to celebrate love for our seniors with the Vital Life Foundation and looking back at the greatest love stories we've ever told.
Red, if you go, where shall I go? What shall I do?
Frankly, my dear, I don't give a damn.
Are you sure? Yeah.
Don't forget me. I'll never forget you. I believe in you. You're my best friend. I know you can jump this wall. You can do it. You can be free.
I knew we could do it.
Bye, Willie. I'll miss you. Best friends forever.
did once. I wish I knew how to quit. You! Yeah!
Girl, please. Winning that ticket, Rose, was the best thing that ever happened to me. Never let go.
I'll never let go, Jack. I'll never let go.
Am I the badass?
We'll always have Paris. Here's looking at you, kid. This toga party is awesome. Toga, 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 toga.
I love college.
See you next Tuesday! I have to know, how old are you?
81 when I got here.
How old are you now?
25. A couple of beers.
High five.
Yeah.
For all things Tuesdays with Matthew, follow us. Aren't they amazing? If I can have the house lights up for my movie stars in the back, please. Yes! Standing ovation! Standing ovation! Oh my God, hi Chuck! Unbelievable, you guys. Oh my God. Hi Chuck! Chuck was the last photo that you saw when I asked him how old he was, and he said he was 80 when he got here and he's 20 just now. And Chuck, you're amazing. So Chuck was in Animal House. We have guests here tonight who are in Free Willy and Animal House and The Shining. And Chuck was also in The Shining. And I thought to myself, you know, I make all the costumes. And when I'm in LA, I thought, you know, it's very easy for me to like pack them in my car and, you know, do everything. I built a boat for The Notebook, and I was like, that was easy. But I was getting on a plane. So for The Shining, I was like, how do I get a door? You know, when he breaks out of the door, it's like, how am I going to ship a door to Portland? Like, these guys don't even know me. They're going to think I'm crazy. So I made Chuck a little, like, tree costume, and then I cut his hole, like a hole in the bark, and it looked like he was through the door, kind of. But I had a good time. So I do the movie nights, and I just want to share with you guys one quick story. One of my seniors who I've known for over 10 years, her name was Millie, and she was in Titanic. She was Rose, and I'd known her forever. And she couldn't make the movie night because she was very sick. And it was our first movie night, and we had about 10 videos that I was going to share with everybody. And I called up her daughter. I had never knew she really existed up until I found out that she had a family member. And I called her up and I said, hi, you do not know who I am. My name's Matthew. I do this thing with your mom. It's fine. You know, we put on these movies, and I'm having this movie night, and, you know, I would love to share them with her, and I know she can't make the big red carpet thing. Do you mind if I drop off the DVD? She said, please come in. It'll bring her so much joy. And I came in, and I was so unprepared. She's so feisty, and she was in a cot that was kind of wheeled out, like right by her kitchen. And the power of the program, for me, literally transformed that day when it was her daughter, the caretaker, and her, and we got to watch these movies that we had made, like these stupid movies that I make in my house, you know, with all of these costumes, and I got to bring them to her. And she got to see her friends, and she got to see herself she was Thelma and Louise, she got to see herself on the top of Grand Canyon when she needed them the most. and I'll never forget it. And it was the most moving experience ever, that it just proved to me that this program, even if in its most ridiculous stages, just combats isolation even up until, you know, the very end when you need it the most. And so I wanted to thank the Vital Life Foundation for giving me the opportunity to do that with your seniors. I hope I come back and make more movies, and I wanted to thank you guys for watching them and supporting our VIP stars in the back. And it's an absolute honor to be here because I've worked with this foundation firsthand, and I know how incredible they are. So thank you for having me. It's been an honor. Have a great evening, and here's Wendy!
He's my new best friend. Don't you wish you could clone him? We all need one. We all need a Matthew. And Matthew was telling me that the Vital Life Foundation was in Portland was the first who decided to bring him and do these wonderful videos. It's really great. So